What? Okay. Look at these two. Two sisters. Hi, Moxie, Roxy. Oh yeah? And there's the fat culprit. He was just trying to get out of his collar by using that rock there to pull the chain off and pull the collar off. You little fat head. You stop that. We don't need to get him loose again. And there he is, Rocky boy. Good morning, Rocky. Hi, buddy. So cute. Hey, hello, good morning. Hi. Rocky, good morning. Hi, buddy. Hello, my boy. Hi. How are you? Hello. Yeah, I love you, Rocky. Yeah. He talks back, so I love it. Yeah. Oh my God, she's gonna be dirty. Oh, she's dirty already. Watch out, don't shoot her too much with the water. It's cold. It's ice water. She's gonna be dirty. I shouldn't have shoot her too much with the water. It's ice water. Go. Daisy, we're gonna have to throw you in a bath and give you a bath, Daisy. Just watch out, girls. Where'd she go? Why are you bringing her here? Baby. She's over here. I want that. The water. Dixie wants to go in. Mom shot you with the water. Oh, look at you. You're all wet and dirty all at the same time. She's soaked. Daisy, look at you. Daisy. You all wet and soaked, Daisy.